Hello and welcome to Candy's Crafts Corner. I'm coming quickly because I just got my July paper pumpkin, Fun in the Sun, and I was putting it together to take some pictures and show you how it look. But I found it at the beginning a little bit confusing, but I got it down, and I thought maybe it would be helpful if I do a video on how to put this together. So I've already put together card number 1, and as you know, this comes, these are the cards that it makes, and they're very cute. They all pop up, and I'm not actually checking that I'm live, because as I said, I don't want to do a live video for people to follow, but just so I can post it, and you can take a look if you're interested. Oh, there we go. I found myself. Alright, just in case, I'm putting it so I can see if anybody's on, but probably at 1:30 in the morning Eastern Standard Time, or Eastern Daylight Savings Time. I very much doubt it. But anyway, there's some night owls. But anyway, as I was saying, I'm putting together I put together the first card, and they're all pop up, and they're cute. They're adorable. I think they're very, very cute. Very summery. These are, you know, once you get it down, it's not so hard. So it's just a matter of knowing how to fold these correctly. And I don't find these instructions so clear. I didn't, but I play with it enough so I could put it together. So let me show you how to do the other ones, and you know, bear with me if I'm going slowly, because as you see, I haven't started with the second one. So the first one is this one with the surfboard, sorry, and you have to make like a zigzag like this, and use the elements here. You have the elements for each one of the cards, and there's a lot of elements. That's why I thought, let's do a video and be clear. Anyway, so let's do card number 2, and because the process is always the same. So this is the card base of card number 2, the one that has the sun, right? And my instinct first was like, oh, I fold everything like this, but no, that's not how it goes. So it comes perforated like that with a straight line here, and this side, the wider side, has several pre-scored folds. Let me show you how it is before I scored it. And which one is this? I can find another one. Yes. It's like this, see? And you can see the folds here. So what you do is you take this part, separate it, forget about folding it here in the middle. Well, you can fold this part if you want, and then you fold, the first fold goes down, the next fold goes up, and down and up again. So you end up with this. See, it's like it says here, or actually, let's go to card number 2, like it says here. Honestly, this was not helpful to me, but because, yeah, I guess it's from this side, but it's not. I don't know. It wasn't helpful to me, like the diagram there. But maybe I'm not understanding it. But anyway, I figured it out in my own way, and that's how it has to go. And now, the other thing I did is I was using liquid glue, because I like to use liquid glue. They just don't put liquid glue here because they think that, well, you know, it's not all-inclusive, and the liquid glue may take too much space or something in the packaging. But anyway, for the sake of this video, I'm gonna use what they say to use. So I'm gonna put my liquid glue away. I like the liquid glue because it gives you wiggle room to adjust. So anyway, so it says that you have to put 2 stripes here. Let's do that. Of tear and tape, and the tear and tape comes with your package. I just used the one that I had open already, so I'm keeping the one that came in the package for another day, or to take with me when I'm crafting, because there's less of it, you know. So when I'm crafting while away. Okay, so 2 stripes of strips of Tear tape. Then we're gonna remove the backing off. There we go. And then we need, which piece goes here? The continuation of this. So all the pieces have another piece layer that's a continuation of this background, you see? And if you make it match, that's the ideal. So we're gonna put it down here, but we're gonna make it match first, like so. Doesn't really matter too much because it's gonna be separated. See why I don't like the stripe thingy? Well, it's a little separated. I'm gonna take it out. That's what I like to use, my liquid glue. So, all right, let's go at it again. I'm trying not to press down until I have it in place, and now I have it in place. All right, I'm gonna score a little bit. There we go. So that's the second part, and then we have this here, and now we need the lawn chair. What else do we need? Oh, these are the like, what's this pink thing coming here? This is this little, I put all the elements that we need right here. So we have the lawn chair. Let me put them here. We have this will go like this. Cute, right? And I think I was a little bit off camera, I'm sorry. And then this will go like here in the other layer. And I don't know if it has a back and forward, but it looks the same to me. And this goes here, coming out of here. All right. And this is the sign of that it will say, "Relax, you deserve it." And it's one of the stamp sets. All right, let's continue. So now we put a strip of tear and tape right here, it says. Oh, in the back, okay. So that's just to attach it to the layer. Okay, I cannot find the end of my tear and tape. Oh, here. God, I cut it so well. Right, like I'm gonna put it in the back of this, as it says. There. Remove the backing. And this will go, it says here, but I kind of like it in my second layer. Oh, we're missing one piece. Sorry, people. Are we? Oh, no. So this goes, okay, I see. This goes like this. Yes. There's in this layer, as I was suspecting. See, it's a little confusing. There's so many pieces. So you get to be confused with me. Right there. There we go. And these go there to the side, the sandals. Like that, I guess. Like this. I don't like them like that. I don't know. Maybe. All right. let's put some glue dots, and I'm using my big glue dots if I can find them. They're right here. Oh, they put them upside down like this. Okay, let's do that. One glue dot. And another glue dot. They put them like that. Like, oh. They don't show, maybe I should put them farther up. In the dune. On my beach. So they show like it shows here. Okay? And then, like, look at all what's going on here. And don't panic, this is the easy part. You put the strip of, you know what? I'm gonna use liquid glue. If you have liquid glue, use it. If you want, it will give you wiggle room. I don't want to have to do what I had to do before. And of course now my liquid glue is dying. Okay. And then I'm gonna put the glue dot here in the top of the umbrella, parasol, whatever that is. And because this is liquid glue, I can just move it around, see, until I find it in the right place. And that's it. And I like that this is a little loose. It gives it still another layer. It's looking cute, isn't it? It's looking very cute. And then all you need to do is just put your little sign here, which we have to stamp with the daffodil light that comes in it. Let me grab my block. And the relax sign is this one, I believe. You can do other messages if you want that fit in there, but for the sake of this video I'm going straight with the designs, and afterwards I'll come up with some alternatives, because there's a lot of elements. So this is gonna be a fun one for alternatives. I'm gonna use my mat, foamy mat. Relax, you deserve it. Okay? So this goes here. And then when it opens, you have like a whole diorama of things going on. Again, I'm using these. They say to use glue dots, I believe, for that one. Okay, Candy. There's a bit of dry glue, but on top of it, I'm almost out of it. I can't believe it. It's oh, there we go. I put too much, but because I was pressing that, so I'll be careful. There we go. I think this, oh, I see. I should have, there's this square here in the labels that you can put in here, but I mean it's white over white, so I just stamped it on the, directly on the sign. This will give it a little bit more dimension, but anyway. And then we get to put the sunglasses, the cute sunglasses there. which I'm sorry, but I'm using liquid glue again. It's faster. And they have also little shell here next to the sign, and they give you plenty of little shells here. I thought I had it out, but I guess not. The little shell, because it's so little, I'm gonna use a glue dot. Oopsie. Alright. And it goes like here. And voila! This is your second card. Very cute. This is how it looks on the side. And now for the third one, I have the elements already cut and ready, I think. It's this. Then we have also the continuation of the background, like the other one. Oh, here's the little shell that I lost from before. I'll save it for another one. And here we have the sailing boat and an island and a lot of things going on. And let's see, I think I have a star too, but if not, I'll just cut another one from here. A little star. I like to get all the elements ready, believe it or not. Oh, I forgot to put the rhinestones in the other one. Let me do that really quickly. And they go 1, 2, where's the third one here? Okay, one on top of the shell, right here in this little corner. Oops, sorry, I'm off camera. One on top of a shell, one next to the sunglasses right there, and one next to the little shovel. There you go. Cute. Alright, moving on to the third card. We have our elements, these, the palm trees, and then we have the little star and the little shell. Everything ready, right? Again, let's start. Let me put this on the side now, even if it's off camera. And I have to have this open because, as I said, I just opened the box and I'm figuring it out as I go. But all right, so again, this is the top of our card, right? And this is gonna go down. We're gonna fold the first one down, and the second fold, the score goes up, and the third one goes down, and the fourth one goes up. No, did I do it wrong? Oh, this, yes, like that. There we go. Again, fold down, and then the next one up, the next one down, the next one up, and you end up with this piece. All right, once you have it down, it's not that confusing. You know, the first card, it took me quite a while to figure it out. And then we need our continuation of the background, and believe you me, I'm gonna use liquid glue to avoid what happened before. See how nicely it fits? So we're gonna put liquid glue like in here, if I have enough, and just a little will do, because then we can wiggle it to where we want. Then this one actually fits much better than all the other ones. I like it. It's kind of like a tequila sunrise. Alright, I just press down a little bit make sure that it can, yes, there's a little bit of the point where it was attached to the outline, to this, you know. So now we have our base, we have this, and now we put the boat. We've done that. We put the boat now in this other layer. So in this case, I'm just gonna put the other layers a little bit thinner. So if you're using liquid glue, don't put it too high. And that's how it goes, like that, and it follows the wave. All right, and now we're gonna put our palm tree like this. This is gonna go much faster, like around here. I like to do it up because then you can see where things go, how things are gonna look, instead of like this. Also because you know you can put it right flush with the border, and this needs a glue dot behind this so it sticks up down. Sorry. And it says to put it in the middle of the palm tree, behind the coconuts. There we go. Now we need our message banner, which in this case says, what does it say? Sending an ocean of love. Oh, that's nice. Okay. Matte here. I'm gonna remove this, I'll clean it later, and I'm gonna sending an ocean of love is this one. There's other sayings like I see brighter days ahead, waving hello. I like that one too, waving hello. Sorry I was crabby, I guess for the crab, because we have the little crab for the first card, very cute. And this one says, I mean, since I'm doing the straight up designs, I'm using what they said to use. Okay, and this sending a notion of love. There we go. And this will go in here. It says to use turn tape, but you know me, my love for liquid glue, and we're gonna put it right there. Can you see? I'm sorry if I'm a little on the side today because I have this open and I need to see the instructions. And then we have the star. I could have put for the star, I could have put the glue dot, but anyway, the star stuck behind this. There you go. See what I just did with the liquid glue? I moved it farther up because it was not fully attached. Oh, so I guess this clam was for, the shell was for the other one that fell. So, and now we decorate it with 3 little rhinestones, as it says. gonna put them exactly what it says in the design to put them. And for my alternatives, I'll do something different. And one of the things I'm gonna do for the alternatives is use another ink for this, because I think this could be more seeable. But isn't this a cute set? So this card number 1, number 3, number 2, and number 1. There you go. Let me take these so you can see them better. Cute, huh? If you didn't get this paper pumpkin, I suggest that when available, if you're a subscriber of Paper Pumpkin, you subscribe to the next one, you can buy the refill and you'll get all these pieces, and there's so many pieces. This is a worth one to get refilled. And all you want, the only thing you won't need is the ink spot and the stamps, but you can use your own sentiments because you don't stamp anything else than the sentiments here. You can use like happy birthday or, you know, happy retirement or whatever you want if you have other stamp sets. All right, so I hope this helps you put together your kits, and I'll see you soon. Thank you. Bye.